Welcome to Future Human Science, where we explore the intersection of technology and science. Today, we're diving into an exciting and rapidly growing field, wearable health technology. In this video, we'll explore how wearable health tech can monitor and improve your wellness, examining the latest innovations, their benefits, and how they can help you achieve better health and well-being. Wearable health technology refers to electronic devices that you can wear on your body to monitor various aspects of your health and fitness. These devices come in many forms, including smartwatches, fitness trackers, and specialized health monitors. Their purpose is to provide real-time data about your physical condition and help you make informed decisions about your health. Let's start with some common types of wearable health tech and what they can do. One of the most popular categories is fitness trackers. These devices are designed to monitor physical activity, such as steps taken, distance traveled, and calories burned. They often include features like heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and GPS for mapping your runs or bike rides. For example, devices like the Fitbit Charge and Garmin VivoSmart are well known for their comprehensive fitness tracking capabilities. They can give you insights into your daily activity levels, helping you set and achieve fitness goals. Additionally, many of these trackers offer guided workouts and exercise recommendations based on your activity data. Smartwatches are another category of wearable health tech that combines fitness tracking with additional features. In addition to monitoring physical activity, smartwatches like the Apple Watch and Samsung Galaxy Watch offer advanced health metrics such as ECG, electrocardiogram readings, blood oxygen levels, and even stress tracking. These features can help detect potential health issues and provide valuable information for managing your wellness. One significant advancement in wearable health tech is continuous glucose monitoring, CGM, systems. CGM devices, like the Dexcom G6 and Freestyle Libre, are particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes. These devices measure glucose levels in real time through a small sensor inserted under the skin. By continuously tracking blood sugar levels, users can better manage their condition and make adjustments to their diet or medication as needed. Another innovative development in wearable health tech is the use of biosensors to monitor vital signs and physiological metrics. For example, smart clothing and patches equipped with biosensors can track heart rate, respiratory rate, and even body temperature. These devices are often used in clinical settings, but they're increasingly being adapted for personal health monitoring. Wearable health tech is not only about tracking metrics, but also about leveraging this data to improve overall wellness. Many devices come with accompanying mobile apps that provide detailed insights and personalized recommendations based on your health data. These apps can help you set goals, track progress, and receive feedback on how to optimize your health and fitness routines. For instance, if you're trying to improve your sleep quality, a wearable device can monitor your sleep patterns and provide tips on how to enhance your sleep environment. Similarly, if you're looking to manage stress, some wearables offer guided breathing exercises and stress management techniques based on your physiological data. The integration of wearable health tech with other health services is also transforming how we approach wellness. For example, some devices can sync with telemedicine platforms, allowing healthcare providers to access your health data remotely. This integration can facilitate more personalized care, enabling doctors to monitor your progress and make informed recommendations without requiring frequent in-person visits. One of the key benefits of wearable health tech is its ability to promote proactive health management. Instead of waiting for symptoms to appear or for a health issue to be diagnosed, wearable devices provide continuous feedback that can help you take preventive measures. For instance, Early detection of irregular heart rhythms or changes in blood pressure can prompt you to seek medical advice before a more serious condition develops. However, it's important to consider some challenges and limitations associated with wearable health tech. Data accuracy and reliability can vary between devices, and it's crucial to choose products that have been validated by clinical research or medical professionals. Additionally, while wearables can provide valuable insights, they should not replace professional medical advice or diagnosis. Privacy and data security are also important considerations. Wearable devices collect sensitive personal health information, and it's essential to ensure that this data is protected from unauthorized access. Choosing devices from reputable manufacturers and understanding their data privacy policies can help safeguard your information. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative developments in wearable health tech. Emerging technologies, such as AI-powered health analysis and advanced sensor capabilities, will enhance the accuracy and functionality of wearable devices. Future wearables may offer even more comprehensive health monitoring and personalized recommendations, further empowering individuals to take control of their well-being. In conclusion, wearable health tech is revolutionizing how we monitor and manage our health. From fitness trackers and smartwatches to continuous glucose monitors and biosensor-equipped clothing, these devices provide valuable insights and support proactive wellness management. By leveraging wearable technology, you can gain a deeper understanding of your health, make informed decisions, and take steps toward a healthier, more balanced life. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of wearable health tech. If you found this video informative and want to stay updated on the latest advancements in technology and science, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from future human science. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of technology and wellness with us.